Now I'll be conducting your speaking test. I'm going to ask you some questions and you have to answer them in English. Are you ready?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Okay, may I know your name?
Of course, my name is Nusrat Jahan Mitu. It's my full name, but all my family members and friends love to call me Mitu. And if you also feel comfortable, you can call me Mitu.
Okay, how many members are there in your family?
There are 4 family members, including my parents, my elder brother, and me.
Okay, do you have a close relationship with your father?
Yes, we are very close. He always tried to support me in every situation, and he always give me a motivation, be honest all the time. So yeah.
Okay, do you have many friends?
No, I don't have that much friend, to be very honest. I have a close relationship with friends, a small amount, not that.
Okay. Which is more important to you, your friends or your family members?
Definitely it's my family members because they always try to stay with me in every situation. They always support me in every situation. They love me a lot. So definitely family is my most precious thing for me.
Okay, with whom do you like to share everything?
It would be my mom or dad, also my elder brother, because they always try to understand me, which is really important for me, and that's why I share everything to them.
Okay. Do you live in Dhaka?
Yes, sir, I live in Dhaka.
Well, what do you dislike about Dhaka?
Sir, is definitely the traffic jam and the pollution. It's really bad for health. Even the air pollution is also so bad in Dhaka. So I think if the government can encourage, then it will be the best thing in Dhaka.
Well, okay. What are the main advantages of living in a big city?
Living in a big city is the main advantage is, I would say, the education system, the health system, even a lot of opportunity have big cities, but in a small city we couldn't get it.
Okay, nowadays, especially the young people want to go abroad. So, what is the reason behind it? What do you think?
I think there are a lot of reasons, but if I say that the education system is, I think, very bad in Bangladesh, yeah, most of the private university is really doing well, but whenever the students have money, they definitely choose abroad because the abroad education system is really different from our country.
Okay. When was the last time you watched a movie?
Sir, actually, I don't watch movie a lot. I love to watch drama, like Chinese and Korean drama.
Chinese and Korean drama.
Yes, sir.
Well, what do you usually carry with you when you go outside?
I actually carry many things. I love makeup, so that's why I all the time try to carry a lip gloss or something like that with me. And also for my safety, I carry a lot of things like anti-cutter.
Oh, this is really interesting. I wasn't ready to hear that. Well, do you think every girl should carry a knife or a anti-cutter?
Yes, sir, definitely. I think because Bangladesh is now not that safe for girls, and even when I was child, I suffer something really bad, and that's why from that day I carry the indicator with me.
Has Rahas English Care helped you to change your speaking skill?
Yeah, Rahas English Care helps me a lot. When I come here, I understand every sentence, but I couldn't speak like that right now. Yeah, I know I make mistake now, but it's totally okay because people are improving. And Rahas English Care helps me a lot to pronounce very well. And I actually definitely say that Rahas English Care is really great opportunity to learn English.
Well, I'm really thrilled to have conducted your speaking test. This is the end of your speaking test, and I wish you all the very best for your future.